going on? It's your boy Tsp Suave. In today's video, I'll be making my delicious Enchilada Casserole, quick, easy, and straight to the point. That being said, let me show you what you're going to need for the recipe. You're going to need some chicken bouillon, 2 packs of taco seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, seasoning salt, garlic salt, 2 cans of enchilada sauce, tortillas, ground beef, lettuce, tomatoes, brown onion, green onion, your cheese, olives, sour cream. Also, you want to get you a bacon dish. Everything will be down in the description box below. So yeah, with that being said, let's put this work in. So what I did, I just went on and chopped everything off camera. So all you want to do is chop up your Roma tomatoes, your onions, shred up your cheeses. Now after this part, we're just going to move on to preparing our ground beef. Now all I'm going to do is saute my onions. I'm going to add some oil. Turn on my fire. Like I said, everything going to be down in the description box below. I'm going to let this heat up. Then I'm going to saute my onions. Our grease is hot now. Add in your onion. All you want to do is you want to saute these until they turn brown. Our onions then browned up. You want to go ahead and add your ground beef. Just like that. You wash my hands off. After washing my hands off, I'm back with my spoon, and we just gonna brown our ground beef. You want to just let this cook for about 5 to 6 minutes before you add your seasoning to it. It's been about 5 minutes. Our ground beef can cook down a little bit, so now you want to go ahead and season it. A little bit of seasoning salt, garlic salt, onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of black pepper. Now we're going to go ahead and stir this up. Allow this to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes more. That way your seasonings could really soak into your ground beef. Our ground beef is nice and brown. All I'm going to do is I'm going to drain the grease off, put it back in the skillet, and I'm going to show you the rest of the steps. Once you put your meat back in the skillet, all you want to do is take your taco pack. Stir it up. Make sure you stir it all up. Add a little water. Not too much water. We ain't making soup. Just like that. Make sure your fire on. You just want to basically just cook this down till you don't see no more clumps of seasoning. Just make sure it's smoothed out. So after your seasoning cooked down into your meat, you just want to turn this off. Take a can of your enchilada sauce. Just add a little bit in here. Set that to the side. Just stir it up just like this. Just like that. You want to go ahead and taste it. See if it needs anything. Okay, depending on your taste buds, this could be fire right here, but I'm gonna use my chicken bouillon that I showed you earlier in the video. Add your chicken bouillon. Stir it up some more, and you know this should be perfect right here. I ain't even gotta taste it because I know it's gonna be good. Now that our meat is done, you want to warm up your enchilada sauce. Turn your fire on medium to low. Allow this to warm up. You don't want it to ball, just let it warm up. Then I'll come back and we'll show you the rest of the steps. Now that our enchilada sauce is hot, we're going to start preparing our enchilada casserole. Grab you about 3 tortilla shells. Dip them in your enchilada sauce. And all you want to do is just start layering your casserole dish. Just like that. Don't soak your tortilla shells too long because they will get soggy. Just like that. And all you want to do is continue on repeating this process until your bottom is full. So our bottom layer is done. Stir up your meat, your filling, and start adding it to your casserole dish. Just like that. Not too much because you want to be able to bring it all the way to the top. So just spread it out evenly, as much as you can. So I added my ground beef to the bottom layer, and all I'm going to do is start adding my cheese in. Okay. So now that I'm done with this layer, all I'm going to do is I'm going to start with another layer. And I'm going to continue on repeating this process till I get all the way up to the top. So I'm pretty much done now. I'm at the top, but I had some meat left over. And what I like to do is, I just like to add my meat on just like this. I'm going to show you. Just like that. Do it with your hands. Don't be acting bougie. Do it with your hands. Just like that. Grab your cheese. Just like that. So once you done added your meat that you had left over with your cheese, now you want to hit it with some green onion. Decorate and make it look real beautiful, baby. Just like that. I'm done adding my green onions, so now I'm going to add my black olives. And you can pretty much see it's coming together already. It's beautiful, ain't it? I'm done preparing my enchilada casserole, so I'm going to put it in the oven at 350, cook it for about 45 minutes to an hour. So it's been about 45 minutes. I took out my enchilada casserole, and you can see around the edges, it is still sizzling. So what we're going to do is we're going to let this bad boy cool down. I'm going to come back, we're going to plate it, and we're going to taste it for you. After your enchilada casserole been sent for a little bit, now you just want to slice it up and put it on the plate. So we sliced it and plated it up. Now we're going to dress it up. Put a little tomato. Grab some lettuce. Some sour cream. And last but not least, baby, gotta have some Tapatio. Gotta have some Tapatio. So y'all already know what time it is, baby. It's time to dig it!
Here, back up. Back up.
That's good. That is good. And there you have it, my delicious enchilada casserole recipe. If you like this recipe, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment, let me know how you felt about the recipe. And if you want to see more of your boy Tsp Suave, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you guys for tuning in and hanging out with your boy Tsp Suave. Until next time, may God bless you all.